Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Today, we will be discussing with you PlayStation 2 Best Gaming Console of 2000. When PlayStation 2 arrived in Japan on March 4, 2000, the first games early purchasers got to take home with them including a Mahjong sim and a digital train set. The big name titles Street Fighter 3 and Ridge Racer 5 were formulaic entries in entire legacy franchises. Meanwhile, Sega Dreamcast machine, released a year earlier, was hosting innovative hits such as Shenmue, Crazy Taxi, and Dragon Ball Z. Performance. The graphics are unbelievable. For game console heads, Sega Dreamcast is close to the PS2 in graphics power and smooth animation, but the PS2 steps up the overall presentation and kills the Sega in the versatility contest. Game audio is usually impressive as well, depending on artistic choices of the programmers. The GPU is likewise custom designed for the console, named the graphics synthesizer. It has a fill rate of 2.4 gigapixels per second, which is capable of rendering up to 75 million polygons per second. The GPU also runs with a clock frequency of 150 MHz, 4 MB of DRAM, which is capable of transmitting a display output of 1280 into 1024 pixels on both PAL and NTSC televisions. The PlayStation 2 has a maximum color depth of 16.7 million true colors when accounting for features such as lighting, texture mapping, artificial intelligence, and game physics. The console has a real-world performance of 25 million polygons per second. The PlayStation 2 also features two USB ports and one IEEE 1394 FireWire port for SCPH 10,000 to 3900X models only. A hard disk drive can be installed in an expansion bay on the back of the console and is required to play certain games, notably the popular Final Fantasy IX. First multimedia gaming console. There are a couple of built-in videos tweaks that can be applied to DVD playback on the PS2 that can both help and hurt the picture. But the default settings seem to be the best trade-off for both anamorphic and non-anamorphic DVDs. Darker scenes seem to be portrayed a bit too dark, with slight smearing, but this is so minor that it will likely not be noticed by most users under most conditions. The PlayStation 2 was the first multimedia game console, and the DVD player was a major selling point, even for the people who were not big on video games. The PlayStation 2 also had the distinct advantage of backward compatibility with the previous PlayStation games, meaning even in the early months of the console's life, there was something to play. Technical details. The PlayStation 2 was the first console to truly enable 3D graphics to shine. It opened up countless new possibilities to game designers and developers, and it did so before any of the other consoles of its generation. This formula made it the perfect breeding ground for new game series, and innovative design. The PlayStation 2 DVD drive was a huge selling point early on, but it also allowed games to be bigger than ever before. Previously, large games had to span multiple discs, and the result was clunky at the best. And games. The most important power factor in the PlayStation 2 success is simple: the games. The PlayStation 2 was the birthplace of more popular game series than just about any other console. The PlayStation 2 also played host to massively popular series like Final Fantasy and Grand Theft Auto. Home theater flexibility. The PlayStation 2 can withstand on its side or lie flat to fit any space. And once it is installed into your home theater, you will be treated to a reasonably sharp picture and high quality sound. The PlayStation 2, like every other console, has a composite AV cord in the box, which you use to connect the console to your TV. However, S video and component video connectors are also available separately if you would like to improve the picture quality. For surround sound audio, there's a built-in optical digital audio jack. With recent graphics library updates, the PlayStation 2 will soon support HDTV resolutions and 16 by 9 widescreen setting as the Xbox does. Expansion options. The PlayStation 2 has a great and ever widening stable of games available, including such PlayStation 2 exclusive titles such as Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and a robust looking online option makes this a compelling purchase. They are really amazing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.